What is up? What is up? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you all are having a great day. Hey, man, I wanted to hop on here, guys, and talk to you all just for a little bit about what can you trade in the currency market. So, what through the platform that I utilize, obviously Forex is the primary focus that I focus on, but there are other things that you can trade as well. So I want to hit on that a little bit. Obviously, there's Forex. So I'm talking a little bit about in the Forex market. So what can you trade when it comes to Forex? So Forex, guys, you're trading the currencies, right? You're trading the currencies for pretty much every country. You have your major pairs. The majors are like they're like 8 majors. You have the U.S. dollar, the Great Britain pound, the Japanese yen, the euro. That's for the Swiss franc. I'm missing a couple. Oh, the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar, and man, I'm missing one. There's one more, but those are like the 8 major ones that you're able to trade. So I got my phone right here. I'll tell you right now. Australian dollar, United States dollar, euro, the Great Britain pound, the New Zealand dollar. So those are like your major pairs, right? Those are the ones where paired together. Some of them they're going to get a lot of the traction as far as like the most volatility. You have your majors, then you have your minors, you have your exotics, your crosses. So you got obviously things where you can trade like the Mexican peso. And for every other country, right, the lira, whatever, every country has its own currency. You're able to trade all of those in what's called a pair, okay? So, and they're paired certain ways. And when you go into the market on your phone, like, probably can't see all of that here. It ain't showing clear, but a little bit. See, those are all different pairs. Those are all different pairs that you can actually go in and trade. And then some people, obviously, with pairs, some people take a liking to certain pairs. Some people focus on whatever is moving, and I'll talk about that at another time. But that's what you have with the foreign exchange market, guys. And when you come, also the other currency we trade cryptocurrency, right? We have a whole inside of our platform. We have a whole platform, a whole community of training. Traders, education tools dedicated to the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency market, guys, obviously Bitcoin being the most popular one that we're all familiar with, right? Bitcoin, when you look at what it's done, is that Bitcoin, guys, has been around since a lot of people don't know. I didn't know this at first, right? Until prior to getting involved in this market. Bitcoin has been around since 2008. I believe it is. And at that time, Bitcoin was like 11 cents a coin. So you just imagine, you talk about like Bitcoin spiked and hit pretty much almost 20,000 a coin. It was back in late, I remember it was like around wintertime of 2000 and was it 2000 and like December 2017, 2018. I have to go back and look and see. But Bitcoin spiked, guys. And if you, at that point, just imagine owning even $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, guys, and you could have cashed out, $1,000 times, what's that? $1,000. I mean, excuse me. Yeah, 1,000 times 20. That's like 20 million. So when you look at things like that, man, having foresight and understanding the power of, different currencies, things are here. Cryptocurrency is here to stay, guys. Bitcoin is like the grandfather of the cryptocurrency. There are about 18 or 19 different cryptos that you can actually trade. Bitcoin is the most popular one. Other ones you're probably seeing or going to hear about, things like Ripple. It's also called XRP. You got Ethereum, you got Dash, just to name a few. And Bitcoin, guys, cryptos are very volatile as well. Forex market volatility mean they move a lot and pairs move certain ways, but Bitcoin is very volatile. And, obviously knowing how to trade it, definitely you can go in there and just kill it with Bitcoin when you know what you're doing. And the thing about it, Bitcoin, that makes it a little different is that the market never closes. So like the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week. The market closes on Friday. It opens back up on Sunday. So it closes on Friday at 5 p.m. Central, and it opens back up at I think 4 or 5 p.m. Central on Sunday. So when you look at that, the crypto market never closes. So, if you start wanting to trade crypto, get the like and trade crypto, when the Forex market is closed, if you're now putting your hand in the crypto pot, you're able to trade that 7 days a week. And you can definitely, man, just kill it with crypto when you know what you're doing. When you start analyzing, understanding the market. And what I love about our platform is that we have one of the actual top crypto educators in the world. This guy, I think he's been trading crypto for 5 to 7 years now, somewhere in there, and has literally made millions, trading cryptocurrency. He's one of the top crypto traders in the world. So we have, through our product, our crypto product, Swipecoin, the company has this product consistently delivers like between 75 to 80% accuracy month after month, catching thousands of pips. And I did a video on pips a while ago. Pips is unit of measurement to determine what money looks like with Forex in cryptocurrency. So that's when you have the cryptocurrency part, right? So you're able to trade in the cryptocurrency markets. That's what you're able to trade with that. Crypto market is growing towards $1 trillion. I've talked about Forex being a $6.6 trillion per day market. And then you have also we're able to trade binary options. Now, I don't know a lot about binary. Believe it or not, when I first started wanting to learn how to trade crypto, I was looking to learn binary. Binary also is called high frequency Forex. It's very volatile, moves at a very fast rate. And it's like boom, boom, boom. You're in and out of the market. It's more advanced. But again, the cool thing is with our platform, we have some beast binary option traders. Again, we have a whole platform of education tools and resources. I wasn't calling you, buddy. Snap my fingers, dog, but I was called him. We have a whole suite of tools, resources, and academy dedicated exclusively to binary options as well. And so, just being honest, I haven't even put my hat in the binary world yet. I'm a component of being able to master one thing first. So Forex is my primary focus. Then we'll go to crypto, then we'll get to binary, right? So that's something, and I love is that we have something for everybody. You have some people who their focus is exclusively binary. Some people, their focus is exclusively crypto or Forex. And you can choose to go whatever route you want to go, or you can choose to tap into all of them, okay? So you can choose to tap into all of those markets and obviously learn them at your pace and utilize the resources. What I love is that even if my focus is Forex, I can still make money with the crypto products because I'm copying and pasting the setups and the trade ideas that are coming through the product. And it's the same thing with high frequency Forex, HFX, okay? Also, what else do we trade, guys? When you look at other things, we're able to trade in the foreign exchange market. We're able to trade commodities. You're talking about gold, silver, copper, oil, all of these different things we're able to trade, and obviously we trade gold a lot. Gold is very volatile, and gold is one of those things, guys, again, where gold is always moving. And a tip I'll give you all that I've learned, and it's true, if gold is going up, buying, the dollar is dropping because they're polar opposite of each other. Okay, and it's vice versa. The dollar is going up, gold is dropping. But we trade gold as well, oil, silver, all of those different things. Like I said, copper, you're able to trade all of those. Then you can trade different things in the stock market as well. Now, it's not like I said, when you're trading stocks, you are buying stock into companies. We're trading stock on a foreign exchange market. You trade it in the form of what's called indices. Okay. Now there's indexes, indices, and what that is, it's a combination of stocks put together. So if you look at which most people, when you think of stocks, the first thing people think of is the Dow Jones. So when you look at the Dow Jones, also called US 30, there is nothing, from my experience and there is nothing more volatile, meaning the movement of it, man, where it can shoot up so quick and then all of a sudden it can shoot down. Now, to your advantage, what makes it different from the stock market is that we're able to buy and sell that. So like I said, if the stock market is dipping, where it says the market is starting to crash and go down, or on the foreign exchange market, when you're trading US 30, if you're on the right side of that, right, and you're selling that as it goes down, you're making money. And if the Dow is going up, you're making money. So this is what's called indices. Also, other indices, S&P 500, the NASDAQ, okay, NASDAQ 100, where we trade all those, and those are some very popular ones that some of our educators trade and send out setups for. So my mentor, senior partner, Dr. Kathy Kirkland, so every single night, every night she sends out trade ideas for indices, and that I simply copy and paste, because I ain't made it to the level of, I'm still learning how to analyze indices, but she's studying and she's sending them out, and people are cleaning up between her, and we have other educators like, one of our other products where they just crush it with indices. And indices, man, the volatility is one of the things where with a very small lot size, you can just do extremely well in the terms of creating income. And some people start getting to the point where they like indices, and that's what their focus becomes. But when you look at indices, pips, points, whatever you want to call it, like I said, they're very, very volatile. And then there's other things like I know when, everything first started happening with the pandemic, Dr. Kathy Tesla was dropping, and she was sending out telling people to sell Tesla, and people were crushing it. I wasn't able to get it. I remember I was driving, and I'm like, sell Tesla. And I was actually right by a Tesla dealership because when everything happened, it stopped their production they were supposed to release in China. And when everything first started happening in China, so it halted their production, which caused their stock to drop. So on the foreign exchange and the indices, and in the currencies market, you're able to trade that and sell it and buy it. So when you look at all these different things, man, there's so many different ways you can make money in the currency markets. And what I love is that we have so many diverse traders and educators where, obviously some are completely Forex focused, some have Forex indices focused, some are gold, some are crypto, some are high frequency. I love is that we have a variety to fit whatever it is you want. And it's not like there's a drop off in education or tools or resources. So you're not going to get cheated. If you feel your focus wants to be binary options instead of Forex, man, you're going to come with it. Now, obviously, the majority of the educators in our platform are more Forex geared educators. The company started as a foreign Forex was the basis. Okay, obviously, crypto was added. High frequency was added, and then now everyone started evolving to add in indices and everything else. It's something where, obviously you're able to tap into it and go at your pace, find what fits you. And you're talking about, we have inside of our live trading sessions and training and education, access to 150 educators across 14 different languages. So again, something to suit everybody's appetite. For me, my personal customers, the thing, it's not a lack of tools and resources. Sometimes they come in, they get a little overwhelmed because they don't expect it to be that much. But the great thing is that we put a game plan in place. With my customers, I talk to them, set them up, say, hey, what route do you want to go? I give them steps to follow, and we customize it and fit your game plan to what it is you want to accomplish, what product you want to go through. What, I recommend and suggest products, but at the end of the day, it's about making it work for you the best way you want it to fit your style of trading, figuring out who you are and what you want to do. And that's another video I talk about, figuring out what type of trader you are. But wanted to just talk about that, guys. What can you trade? I hope you all receive some value from that, understanding that, obviously, we trade stocks in the form of indices. You have that. Again, like I said, gold, silver, the different commodities, metals, obviously Forex, crypto, and binary options. So hope you all receive some value from this, man. Listen, if you want to learn more about the platform that I utilize and see what we have to offer for you, go to tradewithed.com for more information, guys. And from there, we can definitely talk more about if you like what you see or not. So with that being said, I appreciate you all. Take care. Have a great day. And I will be back and I'll talk to you tomorrow.